What's good, Fit Love Power fam? This your boy, Legendary Delts, and I'm back again today with another powerlifting workout. To start it off, we have Sumo Deadlifts. I'm working all the way up to a 3x6. It's about to get legendary. Let me know how y'all feeling this Stranger Things vibe that I got going on in the video. I was just listening to the beat and it just had me think about Stranger Things. So everything about this video, as far as like the effects, is inspired by Stranger Things. As you see, I have the same setup every time, or at least I try to make sure that I'm having the same setup. It's very important that you get into that routine. That way, every time you deadlift or every time you bench press, you're always in the same position. Had to take the shirt off for the last set. It's about to get real. It's about to get legendary. I felt like during this set, my feet could have been a little bit more turned out and also could have been a little in a wider stance, just because my shins are not in like a 90-degree angle. They're kind of like a little obtuse in a way. They're not fully in a 90-degree angle. Now we're moving on to my bench press warm-up. I like to do touch and go reps as well as paused reps, push-ups, before I actually get on the bench and even touch the bar. So now we're ready for my touch and go sets. last one, as you see, is a drop set. Now we're moving on to stiff leg barbell deadlifts. I like to do these on the platform that you just seen. It allows me to be able to get a deeper stretch within my hamstring. On to the next exercise for the day, I decided to do machine high rows. To finish off the workout, I decided to do some dumbbell tricep overhead extensions. As we all know, triceps and back, they are primary aid in also getting your bench up. So if you want to get a higher number in your bench, you want to build a strong back and also strong triceps. What's good, Fit Love Power fam? Legendary Delts here. Sorry I forgot to record an intro of me talking about what I was going to do for the day, but I was actually rushing to the gym and didn't get a chance to do it. My apologies, it will be done in the next video. But to recap what I actually did today in my third powerlifting workout, I did pause Sumo Deads. Then after that, I had touch and go bench, stiff legged deadlifts. Then after that, I had a vertical pull of choice, so I chose the machine lat pull down, where your hands are kind of, closer together and you can pull down and kind of separate. Then after that, I did, for the last movement, I did overhead dumbbell tricep extension to finish out the workout. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I didn't actually have on my knee wraps today. I had on knee sleeves. So it's actually, doing exercises in knee sleeves instead of knee wraps, because that's what USAPL is gonna have me doing. So might as well get used to it. Also about the knee wraps, the knee sleeves actually, I'll leave a link in the description where you guys can purchase it off of Amazon. We are an Amazon affiliate, so we do get a small commission off of the actual link that you click. So we would appreciate it. It does help us keep making videos and keep things going for you guys. I know you guys like our content. Also, the shirt I have on, the come up, it's from a brand called Wicked Collective. I actually designed the shirt, so I'll leave a link in the description for that as well, so you guys can check out their website. I'll leave the Instagram handle in there as well too. But sorry for me sweating. It's like 100 degrees up here in New York. I'm about to go home, eat, and just relax for the rest of the evening. Have work early in the morning. Legendary Delts is signing out. I'll see you guys in the next video.
That was legendary.